Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this Origami Spinneroo designed by Jeremy Shafer, and here it is. And it looks really nice. And I just folded it, and yeah, and here's how it works. So you just you hold it in between your hands like this, and then you blow. See, just like that. So that's one way you can spin it. And another way you can spin it is that you can put one point on the table and you can blow here. Oh, yeah, and be careful so it doesn't slip out. I'm gonna be really careful. See, just like that. So yeah, Spinneroo. Yep, and I folded it from a 10-inch square of kami, and it came out really nice. And yeah, and since I folded it from yellow paper, I'm gonna call it the Eliminator, because that's what he said in his video. So yeah, the Eliminator. And to learn how to fold it, here's his tutorial. And yeah, and you can also do other things with it, like tie it on a thread or something, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go into it though, because I like it like this. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this demo, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.